Hey, garden friends. It's Allie here at the Leaf Lab, and today we're cooking up something cozy, healthy, and full of herbal magic lemon herb chicken with roasted veggies. Let's start by heading to the herb patch. Here we have fresh rosemary, thyme, and parsley, three power packed plants that not only smell amazing but help your body heal. 130. Harvest and herbal fact. Did you know rosemary can help improve memory? That's why students in ancient Greece wore it in their hair during exams. 2 o'clock, ingredients overview. We're using chicken breasts, lemons, olive oil, garlic, rosemary, thyme, parsley, and a colorful bunch of root veggies. 3 o'clock, marinating the chicken. Add the herbs, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and salt. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes to soak up all that herbal goodness. 4:30, roasting the veggies. Toss your chopped veggies with olive oil, salt, and a sprinkle of thyme and rosemary. 6 o'clock, cooking the chicken. Sear each side until golden, then finish in the oven until juicy and cooked through. 7:30, plating and taste test. Look at those golden edges. The herbs make the whole dish smell like a summer garden. Let's give it a try. 8:30, healing use. 9 o'clock, goodbye plus fun fact.